Question number 11 from exercise 2.7. Listen the question. Sivamani is attending an interview for a job and the company gave two offers to him. Offer number A, 20,000 to start with, followed by a guaranteed annual increase of 6% for the first 5 years. If we work under offer A, he will get 20,000 as a salary plus annual increment 6% for the 5 years. Offer B, 22,000 to start with, followed by a guaranteed annual increases of 3% for the first 5 years. If he getting a job under offer B, he will be getting 22,000 as a salary plus 3% increment, annual increment for the first 5 years. What is his salary in the fourth year with respect to the offer A and B? If he works under offer A, what will be the salary after fourth year? If he will be working under offer B, what will be his salary after the 4 year? This is what your question. Come, let us solve. Very interesting and practical question it is. So first let us find offer A. Offer A. Offer A, the salary, starting salary is rupees 20,000 and annual increment %. Then what would be the salary after the fourth year? What would be the salary after the fourth year? So at the end of first year, he is getting already how much salary? 20,000 as a salary plus 6% into 6% means 6 by 100 as his increment. So when we cancel this, 0, 0, 12,200 increment alone. Increment is 1,200. Then the total salary after end of a first year is 20,000. Already he is getting 20,000 salary plus 1,200 as his increment. Totally he will be getting 21,200. 21,200 at the end of first year. Next, at the end of second year, already he is getting 21,200 as his salary into 6% increment. So total increment 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6 7, 1,272 rupees. Increment alone 1,272 rupees. Then total salary at the end of second year, already he is getting 21,200 as his salary. Then plus increment is 1,272 rupees. Then total salary is 22,472 rupees at the end of second year. Next find at the end of third year. Already he is getting 22,472 as his salary into 6% increment. So when we cancel this, the increment alone at the end of third year is, at the end of third year the increment is 1,348 rupees 32 pice. When we solve this, we will get 1,348 plus 32 pice. Then salary, already he is getting 22,472 rupees plus the 6% increment 1,348 rupees 32 pice. When we add this, we will get 820 rupees. This will be the salary at the end of third year. Next, at the end of fourth year only they are asking the question, no? After this is what will be the salary at the beginning of 4th year. Starting salary at 4th year is rupees 23,820. It is under offer A. Next, let us find our offer B. Offer B. Under offer B, he is getting a salary as 22,000 rupees and the increment annually is getting 3%. First 5 years. Okay. Salary to at the end of first year 22,000 salary into 3% means 3/100. Then how much is getting as increment alone? 660 rupees. So total increment alone 660 rupees and total salary along with the increment already is getting salary 22,000 plus this 660 rupees. So total salary to 22,660 rupees at the end of first year. Next, at the end of second year. Already is getting 22,660 as his salary into 3% as his increment. 0 get cancelled. Then solve all this, will get 2,679 rupees 8 pice. This is what your increment alone. Then the salary is already is getting 22,660 rupees plus this increment 679 rupees 8 pice. So at the end of second year, he is getting a salary as 23,339 rupees 80 pice. Next, at the end of fourth year. At the end of third year. At the end of third year, 23,339 rupees 80 pice into 3% as his increment. So I will be getting increment alone 700 rupees. When we solve this, we will get 700. So increment alone 700 rupees. Then the salary is at the end of third year 23,339 rupees 80 pice plus 700 rupees. At the end of third year, his salary should be 24,040 rupees. So this is what offer B. Let us compare offer A and B. I am going to write offer A. Beginning of the year, fourth year. Beginning of the fourth year, option A getting a salary as 23,820 rupees. And offer B getting a salary at the beginning of fourth year, he is getting a salary as 24,040 rupees. Which would be a better option? Option B is a better option. Offer B is the better option to choose. Thank you.